The burden of leadership is not the weight of the war, but the fear of losing what we fight to protect. Welcome back, Mirage. This is gonna leave a mark. We must secure the perimeter.
Danger zone.
This base is our last bastion. Protect it. Analyzing the board.
He's considering a risky maneuver.
Your strategy is bold, the optimal path.
Brilliant. We have them where we want them. Beginner's luck, soldier.
I believe that's a checkmate, Prime.
Oh yeah! You practiced when I was offline.
No mercy mode.
No mercy mode.
That never ends well.
We'll see. No more Mr. Nicebot.
You can't touch this! Just wait till I deploy my strat.
Warning. System breach detected. Threat level increasing. That's not a game signal.
That's a real distress code.
That's a real distress code. From someone important. Deep.
Beneath the ocean.
Figures it wouldn't be easy. He's running out of time. Then we are out of excuses. Next time we finish the race. Ha! Rescue mode unedged. Let's bring him home. Understood. Understood. Still counts as cardio. Focus! The signal is faint. It indicates severe structural distress. Hurt. Bad. His transponder... Status report, Bumblebee.
Pressure level stable, Optimus. Engaging stabilization lock.
Proceed with caution. The chassis is compromised. The chassis is compromised.
I'll clear these rocks! Hold it! I can't hold it! Optimus, it's collapsing! Get clear!
No! The car! Move, Bumblebee! Cable integrity stable.
Initiating ascent protocols.
Verified. Proceeding with caution. Hold on tight, old friend. We've got you. Just a little more. Hold on, friend. We have you. We'll get you back to shore. Extensive damage. Critical structural failure. We must begin immediate repair protocols.
Keep pushing. The pickup point is just ahead.
Almost there. Stick together.
The damage is extensive, Mirage. You pushed your limits.
Nah, that was just a scratch.
We're not satisfied until you are. The chassis is warped significantly.
I have the debris bins ready.
Proceed with caution, Bumblebee. Distortion is severe, old friend. Calibrating for optimum stress points.
Steady now, Captain.
Begin slow, steady pressure. Hold the tension steady.
Data confirms realignment.
Adjusting the lateral pull.
Structure integrity at 70%.
The primary energy core appears unstable. Handle with care. Understood. I will categorize these components for salvage.
I found it. The spark is within. Barely holding on. There is hope. Cable is secure.
Initiating bypass sequence.
Power holding. Connection stable.
Affirmative.
Hold it steady.
Engage.
Secure.
We are nearly finished here, Bumblebee.
Verified.
Wiring secure.
Welcome back, old friend.
It's really him. I knew you could do it. Beauty is coming back.
Indeed, the restoration is nearly complete. restoration is nearly complete.
This modification is essential for high-altitude stabilization.
We can rebuild him. Faster. Stronger.
Looks good, boss. The servo is in place. Locking clamps now.
Wiring secure.
Come on, wake up!
Yes! Finally! He's online.
I feel like a brand new bot.
Welcome back, Mirage.
He's magnificent.
You pulled me back.
We also fix scratches. He's right, those details matter.
Indeed.
Thanks for the touch-up.
The kinetic energy readings suggest extreme velocity upon impact. Probability of full functional survival is suboptimal. Good work tonight.
Sometimes, I look up at the vastness of the cosmos and wonder if our sacrifices truly echo loud.